Recently, the consumer market has been flooded with huge variety of equipment and materials for repairing and production of electronic equipment. Soldering equipment is the most demanded. Two separate reversible elements of any soldering tool are a heater and a tip. The range of the elements is very rich in materials and forms, typical for the tip and its diameter. All leading manufacturers use copper as the main material. So do the domestic manufacturers. For more endurable tips, nickel covering is used. Silver added as the main element extends service life significantly. The endurance of tip service cycle depends greatly on maintenance, on-time cleaning and quality of the flux used in soldering. Using soldering tip for intended purpose, that means for mounting and removing electronic components, adhering to the specified temperature for a specific tip, you extend its service life and save additional costs on replacing. Moreover, the tip as a constituent element is not cheap. Type of tip, its sharpening form and the seat for a specific diameter of the heater differ for various operations and soldering methods. We present you some examples of our products which are especially popular among consumers. Durable knife tip 832 AD, manufactured by Erses Soldering Tools. It is used for soldering of PLCC chips housings. The tip is single-bladed, 7.5 mm wide and 1.5 thick. Seat diameter is 6.6 mm. Changeable tip 936 MTI for soldering unit series ST936, ST937, ST938. It is a needle-type tip. It is used for wiring high-precision equipment, soldering of chip elements, mounting of micromodular structures. 612 HD tip is endurable, microwave type. It is a changeable tip for soldering units. Tip diameter is 2.5 mm with bend form. It is used for tech tool soldering unit. It is recommended for wiring with lead-free solder. It is effective with long work cycle. 30T3D is a tip for soldering unit SL10 CMC, SL20 CMC, SL30 CMC. It is a V-type tip, the most popular tip for wire soldering, used for assembling work in laboratory, amateur or steady-state conditions. It is suitable for soldering units manufactured by Solomon. Its seat diameter is 4.5 mm. One more type of tips is 30T3C, which is a tip for soldering unit series 10 CMC, SL20 CMC, SL30 CMC, manufactured by Solomon Company. The changeable tip has the shape of beveled cone. Seat diameter of tip is 4.5 mm. It is used to solder wiring of digital devices, telecommunication systems and fixed electronic equipment. Buying this or that type of tip, you should consider its properties for a specific work, its belonging to a specific soldering unit or soldering tool, its seat, which should comply with the changeable component. One of the conditions of tip endurance is its maintenance and care. Avoid contact of the heated tip with any polymers, polished or painted surfaces. Never touch the tip. There is always fat on the skin that will cause oxidation at heating. To avoid unwanted burning of the tip using high-quality fluxes, you should use activator additive. If you cover the tip with the activator additive at the beginning of your working day, you will extend its service life and facilitate your work. Never debark and sharpen the tip, otherwise this will lead to its immediate damage and non-operability. You should store new tips in clean, dry conditions, preferably without temperature drops, to avoid condensation. Usually, tips are supplied in sealed packages. and if you are not going to use them, let them stay factory packaged. Enjoy your choice.